At its global debut in 2026, Ducati unveiled the second generation of the DesertX, a motorcycle that previously marked Borgo Panigale's serious entry into the hardcore off-road arena. Ducati describes the latest DesertX as the result of lessons learned in some of the harshest environments on Earth, including the extreme climbs of the Erzberg Rodeo, the punishing stages of the Rally of Albania, the vast expanses of the TransAnatolia Rally Raid, and a grueling 1,500-kilometer desert test at the NORRA Mexican 1000 Rally. Its track record is undeniably impressive. Yet racing experience does not always translate seamlessly into showroom practicality. Ducati's mission is clear: elevate off-road capability without sacrificing the brand's signature on-road precision. Striking a balance between these two worlds has tripped up many manufacturers before. At the heart of the second chapter is a new 890 cubic centimeters V2 engine producing 110 horsepower and 92 Nm of torque, with 70% of that torque available from just 3,000 revolutions per minute. Ducati's variable intake timing (IVT) system, unique in this segment, is designed to deliver smooth, controllable power across the entire rev range. On paper, it sounds like the ideal compromise between desert punch and asphalt composure. Shorter lower gears promise better technical control in tight terrain, while a taller sixth gear supports high-speed cruising. Add to that class-leading service intervals, 45,000 kilometers for valve clearance checks, and Ducati is clearly targeting riders who want performance without frequent workshop visits. Even so, long-term durability under real-world abuse will be the ultimate test. From a chassis standpoint, the story is equally ambitious. The monocoque frame, which uses the engine as a structural element while also functioning as the airbox, is a distinctive engineering choice in this category. Ducati claims increased rigidity and a more compact design, along with easier air filter access for post-dust maintenance. The rear trellis subframe nods to the brand's heritage, while a dedicated aluminum swing arm and Brembo M4.32 braking system with 305mm discs underscore the bike's serious intent. Notably, the braking setup has been revised for better modulation off-road, an area where road-focused brands often struggle. The ability to mount a high front fender without additional kits suggests Ducati has genuinely listened to the rally community. Suspension upgrades are significant as well. A new Kayaba front fork with independent hydraulic adjustment and a full floater rear suspension with progressive linkage are engineered to blend comfort with aggression. The theory is straightforward: softer initial response, yet firmer support under heavy loads. Paired with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear tubeless spoked wheels wrapped in Pirelli Scorpion Rally Street tires, the DesertX maintains its all-terrain credentials. However, as electronic and structural complexity increases, questions arise about whether the simplicity that defines true desert machines is gradually being overshadowed by modern engineering. Ergonomically, Ducati has reshaped the riding triangle by moving the foot pegs rearward and shifting the seat and handlebars forward to create a more attack-oriented stance. A new 18-liter polymer fuel tank sits lower to reduce the center of gravity while remaining slim between the knees. Protective crash pads and textured side panels reflect a machine designed to fall and get back up without drama. With a seat height of 880mm, reducible to 840mm via an optional kit, the DesertX remains tall and uncompromising. This is a motorcycle that demands commitment, not casual curiosity. On the electronics front, modernity is fully present. A 6-axis IMU manages cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, wheelie control, and engine brake control across 6 riding modes, including dedicated enduro and rally settings. 4 levels of cornering ABS, even allowing full deactivation in off-road mode, demonstrate a nuanced approach rather than blanket restriction in the name of safety. A 5-inch TFT display with multiple information layouts and an integrated tripmaster further reinforce the DesertX's position as a technologically advanced adventure machine. The model will be available in Europe starting April 2026, followed by the United States, Australia, and Japan.